welcome to the Lucky Review channel. Today I am going to introducing about one of the most and important Weight Warrior ebooks. So most of the peoples are moving towards or think about the various technique used in order to weight the lose. Get your hand on the ultimate guide for the life improvement through the weight loss and let it magic change your life forever. So as you can see on the image, the Weight Warrior ebooks are mentioned over here. The discovery how to originate the people can have the extraordinary shape through the science of the weight loss. This is the important things, guys. If you're new here, please press the subscribe button, and if you want to purchase this kind of product, then visit the link which is already mentioned in the description. Discovery of how the peoples can have the extraordinary shape through the science of the weight loss. Dear friends, losing the weight have always been a problem for the almost anybody, because the most of the peoples are facing the problems related to the weight loss. Being the overweight is a common problem, or obesity is feared invariably, and it is just with no surprise everyone have their own or follows weight loss to keep off unwanted weight. It is also no secret to everyone that the key to lose the weight and keeping it off successfully is of a healthy eating habits and regularly exercise. Because in order to weight the lose, most of the peoples are thinking and various methods are applied in order to some of the peoples are moving towards the dieting, some of the peoples doing the exercise in the morning, but he cannot get a proper result to weight in order to weight the lose. But many still do not realize, and this is why the weight loss plan and the diet program are proper to diet messes. You can have or facing the many of the problems like diseases, stroke, diabetes, and several kind of cancer. Overweight add to pains and physical limitation. Overweight may facing the apply for the job and promotion. Most of the people are facing this kind of problems nowadays. So overweight often experience an inconvenience, frustration of needing the large size clothing and large size moving seat and aeroplane seat, large size seat belt in world that designed by the for a minimum or medium sized people. So at that time I have seen in my life most of the people are facing this kind of problems. Well, you not alone. This is the perfect solution of the whatever the question I have arrived and I have discussed all the question, you can get the answer in this particular book introducing Weight Warrior. This is the not just a book, but you can get the clear-cut ideas about how to weight losing in a very effective way. Because the most of the people have already tried these books, and in this book you will learn that this kind of features like effective dieting for building abs, the mindset to lighting fast and weight loss, ultimate exercise routine for the beginner, and it contains the various components which will help you lose weight healthily and many other features. So why it is very important for you to invest in this book right now? These are the point mentioned over here. What is the requirement? Why you are interested to invest money in this book? So you can move on to this page and read out all the things. Finally, I am going to give you the price about this product is around $19.99 US. You can click on this bar. You can move on to the payment methods via different PayPals and debit and credit cards. But international transaction may be happen in the PayPals only. And if you interested or to buy this product, then visit the link which is already mentioned in the description. This is the really importance and mind-blowing products because the most of the people are try this kind of books and losing your fates in a very effective way, and he can get your dream jobs, promotion and many other facilities. He can achieve your goals. So I would be recommended to you, please visit the link which is already mentioned in the description. And thanks for watching this video. Still, if you not subscribe my channel, then press the subscribe button.